Singsang Taytay Liho. I'm Virgie Fabian Lapisak. I'm 36 years old. I was born on April 18, 1988. I have I was a college graduate. I graduated Bachelor of Elementary Education. I have four brothers and I am only the girl in the family. I want to work here in my previous experience was I was work in Malaysia for 2 years. I take care of an elderly. And then I also work in here in Hong Kong last 2022 at, until 2023, and then in my second employer 2023 to June 6, 2024. And I want to work in here again and find I want to work in here as, and I am willing to work again. And if you allow me to work, I, I promise that I will finish my contract on you. Thank you and God bless.